Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tunecraft. So in our last video, we added a human touch with ad-libs. But there's still one major problem with most AI tracks. That single lonely vocalist. Today, we're going to fix that for good. I'm going to show you the super easy way to create duet songs in Suno. This one is a game changer, so let's get into it. First, let's see what a standard song sounds like. I've prompted a simple acoustic pop song about two people meeting. Here are the lyrics for the verse and chorus. Let's generate that and listen.
I saw you standing across the room. Felt like the stars aligned for me and you. And maybe this could be the start of something new.
It's nice, but it doesn't really tell the story of two people, does it? The emotion is limited because we're only hearing one side. Let's fix that right now. The first step is to assign different lines to different singers. You can do this with simple direct tags, like male voice and female voice. Let's rewrite that verse as a conversation. The first line will be the male voice, and the second will be the female voice. It looks like this. Let's hear how Suno handles that simple instruction.
I saw you standing across the room.
Felt like the stars aligned for me and you.
And maybe this could be the start of something new.
Instantly, the song has a story. It has characters. It feels like a real scene from a movie or a musical. That's how easy it is to introduce a second vocalist. Now that we have our two singers, let's make them sing together. For the chorus, we can simply add the tag duet to tell the AI that both voices should sing at the same time. Let's update our chorus prompt. Let's generate the whole song now with the call and response verse and the duet chorus and listen to the result.
I saw you standing across the room.
Felt like the stars aligned for me and you.
And maybe this could be the start of something new.
A story written in the sky, just for me and you.
It's a completely different song now. It has energy, emotion, and tells a much richer story. Okay, but what if you want that massive, professional, goosebumps on your arm sound? For that, you need more than just a duet. You need harmony. Instead of just duet, we can change the chorus tag to Harmonized Duet, or layered vocals, male and female. This tells Suno not just to have two people sing, but to have them sing different complementary notes that sound beautiful together. And let's see how it comes up.
I saw you standing across the room.
Felt like the stars aligned for me and you.
And maybe this could be the start of something new. A story written in the sky, just for me and you.
Just for me and you.
That harmony is what makes a song sound professionally produced. It adds emotional depth that two voices singing the same melody just can't match. And here's a final pro tip. You don't have to stop at just male and female. You can give the AI direction on the style of the vocals. For example, you could create a beautiful contrast by specifying,
I saw you standing across the room.
Felt like the stars aligned for me and you.
Maybe this could be the start of something new.
the sky, just for me and you.
That sounds great, right? This gives you an incredible level of control, allowing you to cast the perfect singers for the emotion you want to convey. So let's combine everything we've learned into one final polished piece. Here is the full prompt. Now, let's hear our masterpiece.
I was lost inside the silence.
I was waiting for a sign,
And then our worlds collided.
now we're shining
Like a star in the darkest night. Together we can make it right. Burning ever so bright.
And there you have it. We went from a simple, single vocal song to a complex, emotionally rich, and beautifully harmonized duet. This technique will fundamentally change the way you create music with AI. You can now write stories, create characters, and build powerful, dynamic arrangements. So my question for you is, what kind of duet are you going to create first? A country ballad? A pop anthem? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to master Suno, make sure you hit that subscribe button for AI Tunecraft. We're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.